Hello everybody! Today let me show you how to practice English speaking skill by yourself, alone, at home, without a partner. Okay, let's start. Here we go. First, you click listen.
Why are you yawning?
Why are you yawning? And then you click speaking test, this, and click microphone on your keyboard. Why are you yawning? And you click OK to check is OK, correct, excellent. Click OK. And next one, listen.
I'm sleepy.
I'm sleepy. Okay, speaking test and click microphone. I'm sleepy. And you click OK. OK. Okay, next one. Listen.
Why don't you go to bed?
Why don't you go to bed? Okay, speaking test and click microphone. Why don't you go to bed? Okay, you click OK. Okay, and next one, listen.
I want to watch this TV show.
I want to watch this TV show. Okay, speaking test and click microphone. I want to watch this TV show. Okay, click OK. Okay, correct. And next one, listen.
Maybe you should record it.
Maybe you should record it. Okay, and speaking test and click microphone. Maybe you should record it. And click OK to check this. Okay, maybe you should have classes. Okay, never mind. And you can try again. Okay, try again. And click microphone. Maybe you should record it. And click OK. Okay, correct. And next one. Listen.
The tape recorder is broken.
The tape recorder is broken. Okay, speaking test. And click microphone on your keyboard. The tape recorder is broken. And click OK. The tablet card there is broken. Okay. Okay, never mind. Back to top and skip on this. Okay, listen.
Then you should watch the rerun.
Then you should watch the rerun. Okay, speaking test and click microphone on your keyboard. Then you should watch the rerun. And then you click OK to check. Then you should watch the rerun. Okay. You fail again. And skip it. Okay, listen.
Why I'm watching the original.
Why I'm watching the original. Okay. Speaking test. And click microphone. Why I'm watching the original. Then you click OK. Okay, correct. And next one. Listen.
But you'll be asleep in about 1 minute.
But you'll be asleep in about 1 minute. Okay, speaking test and click microphone on your keyboard. But you'll be asleep in about 1 minute. Click OK. Okay, correct. And next one. Listen.
I'm just yawning because the commercials are on.
I'm just yawning because the commercials are on. Okay, speaking test and click microphone. I'm just yawning because the commercials are on. Click OK. Okay, correct. And next one. Listen.
Okay, I'll tell you how the show ends.
Okay, I'll tell you how the show ends. Okay, speaking test and click microphone. Okay, I'll tell you how the show ends. Oh no, not true. Okay, I will tell you how the show ends. Okay, correct. Okay, maybe you can try this. Just like me. You click link below this video or this. Okay, you practice English every day daily, every day. Okay, improve your speaking skill. Okay, see you later. Okay, bye bye, have fun.